What's going on, guys? It's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky. Still in San Diego here for a traffic and conversion seminar where I am sharpening my craft. And the last breakout that I just got out of was about YouTube advertising and like call to action and stuff like that. And of course, I was listening to all of the tips there, and one of the things that struck me, which I naturally kind of do on my own anyway, but I was like, oh man, that's a really important thing to share with you guys, is monitoring and being observant of your own habits. So what I mean by that is, like, when you go on YouTube, let's just say, what do you skip? What videos do you look for, right? What titles do you click? What things annoy you in a video that you skip right over, okay? Somebody's like talking too much about irrelevant shit that you really don't care about, or they talk really slow and it takes them forever to get to the point, right? Or they're just really boring or whatever. And so what I wanted to bring to you guys was, what about your door knocking pitch, okay? Your door knocking approach. What do you get annoyed by when somebody comes and knocks on your door to sell you pest control, fiber optic internet, home security, okay? And it's a lot of the stuff that I talk about all the time, which is name, company, credentials, accolades, BBB rating. Nobody gives a shit. So don't waste their time. Pay attention. Like, just take a few minutes right now and picture, if somebody came to my door, at what points do I lose interest? What makes me just tune right out or shut the door or not give them an option to continue, or I just kind of write them off entirely? And then think about your door approach. What am I doing already that I know that I don't like? Because my customers probably don't like it too. So consider that. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can visit my website, www.roofsalesmastery.com, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Keep it crunchy out there. Goodbye.